What's up everybody, welcome to Gamingtech. As you see, this package exactly weighs 70 kg, it's ridiculous. Starting first with the processor, there's going to be a lot of mice from Logitech as well. A couple from Xtrify, but mainly Logitech what I remember. I will be showing some of the products in this video, not all of them, I want to do it over time. A lot of keyboards. Some are custom. Just going to show one of the products of the custom keyboard world. Processor from AMD and Intel, top of the line. I might do a build, we'll see if I can find time. Other than that, how are you guys doing? Comment below. Couple of hard drives from me from Webhallen. And a brass plate for a GMMK Pro keyboard, of course. It will be in the Silver Ice Edition resin wrist pad. That is matching with the SPR67 build that I will be showing soon as well. I'm waiting for the PCB. As soon as I get it, I will release the video. Couple of coolers. One was refunded. Aqua pre-built gaming support arm for gamers. Microphone, budget version. You guys asked for it. Basic keyboard from Logitech. It's going to be my new keyboard. I'm joking, actually, that would be downgrading, which you can actually. SKG massage gun, phenomenal product, I use it myself. Sounds like a sales pitch, but I actually use it. F60 from IQNX. Like and share. I'll see you on the next video. Take care of yourselves. Let's go.